Have you ever heard the word menace and wondered what it really means? Well, let's unlock this word together. Menace, pronounced menace, is a noun that means something or someone that is a threat or causes danger. Imagine a storm on the horizon. That storm is a menace because it could bring harm. Menace can also mean a person who is annoying or causing trouble, like a kid who is always playing loud pranks. So, menace doesn't just mean danger, it can mean annoyance too. Some simple synonyms for menace are threat, danger, nuisance, or annoyance. On the other hand, antonyms are safety, protection, and peace. For example, you can say, the icy roads are a menace to drivers. That noisy neighbor is a menace to the whole street. See how menace fits into real life? It's a useful word when talking about risks or troublesome people. Remember, menace is a noun, and you use it to describe something harmful or annoying. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive to grow your English vocabulary every day.